Good morning, folks. Welcome back to another video. So, I'm out for a walk out in Clotterhead at the walk along the rocks. It's absolutely beautiful out here. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. The sun is just coming up, and it's absolutely beautiful out here. I've come out to photograph some birds. Gonna go for some small birds, hopefully. Some stone chats, or wagtails, or there's a lot of meadow pipits and reed buntings, and yeah, the stone chats, and there's quite a lot of birds out here. Normally when I come out without the camera, there's quite a lot of birds, but who knows today. But it's just gorgeous. Look at that, the sun is just coming up. Oh, it's beautiful. There's a lot of herons and shags and cormorants and stuff flying up and down, going in and out towards the port where the fishing boats are. But that's not really what I'm after today. I'm gonna walk, see all along here. I'm gonna walk all up and down and around, and I'm gonna see, can I spot some small birds and see, can I get off some shots. I left the tripod on the back because it can be a bit awkward, because sometimes the birds land on the rocks or on the ground or perch up on a stick. So with the tripod it's quite difficult to be manoeuvring my position, but so it's easier to kind of go handheld for this type of thing. But if I get lucky, I might throw the tripod, take the tripod off, stick the camera on and get some nice steady footage. But I'm not too fussed on that. I'm just going to try and get some nice photos. So all I'm doing is just scanning the rocks, scanning the perches that come up high out of the rocks and bushes. Normally you'll see a silhouette or something perch up there, and then I'll try then get myself closer and get some photos. So that's the plan. That is the plan for today. So it's absolutely freezing as well. It was 2 degrees in the car, me coming out this morning, and I forgot my gloves. But I've three hoodies on, so I'm nice and toasty. It's just my hands are freezing. But it's still a bit dark. The light is still quite dark, so even right now, if something landed right in front of me, it wouldn't really be worth taking a photo. So I think I have about 20 minutes, half an hour until we have any light to take any photos. So I'm just going to walk around and see what I can see for now. So right, wish me luck, guys. I'm going to walk around, have a good look, see what I can find. Now I can hear, so far I can hear the wagtails. There's actually one there. And I can hear the stone chats, the call of the stone chats, I can hear them. So I know they're around, and it's first light, so they'll be quite active, doing a bit of feeding. So right, let's get to it. I'm gonna plotter around and see what I can find. So wish me luck, guys. Wish me. Still hear him. Listen, you can hear the robin. He's just right there. He's singing. See if I can show you. Just there. Absolutely beautiful. He landed right here, right up on here, and I managed to get some lovely photos. I was standing just here. I was on my way up that way, and I could hear him singing, and he was perched up there. I'll show you really quick some of these photos, because he might move. I might get some more, but I was handheld, so I couldn't really get any footage. I got a bit, but not much. Here he is. Beautiful. Now, my settings, I'll show you. I was at ISO 3200, my shutter speed, and my f-stop, so it's real low light. It's still not 100% good light, but God, I had to keep myself really steady with my shutter speed and 3200, so a bit of denoise and Photoshop won't go amiss there. But I think that photo's going to turn out lovely. Jeez, I could go home now and be absolutely thrilled. That photo of that robin. But do you know what I might do? I might get the tripod out and see can I get some footage of this robin singing up here. But he might fly away as soon as I get it out. So, right, let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Put juice here. So, I've been walking around now for about another hour or so, and no luck with anything. But I'm walking all along these rocks, and I can see a heron, and he's quite a bit away. I might try getting like an environmental shot, but I have to jump from there to there. I don't know if that's slippy or not, and if I fall I'm going to land on my ass in the water, and I don't want to walk all the way back around there. I think it's going to be right. Oh, he's still there. Right, feck it. Oh. see him? Ah, I see him. Super, right. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm after getting the tripod out. I'll show you here. So we have a heron just there. And what I'm trying to do, I'll show you this footage now, but that heron's there. You have all these rocks in the foreground. So I'm just trying to be creative. I want to see what type of photo I can get with some of these dark rocks in the foreground. Just because there's really nothing else around. So I'm actually going to move up a bit. I'm going to move up a bit. I'm going to keep pressing over these rocks, so you're going to get a bit closer to them. And see what type of photos I can get. Got a 1 or 2 already. Not happy with them, but I think there's potential there to get a nice photo with this guy with all these dark rocks in the foreground. Really underexpose it. But yeah, right. Just trying to plan. It's quite slippy, all these rocks. You need to be very careful. Right, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Now, the heron has flown off, so I've made up a good bit of ground, and was just perched up there. Let me show you some of these. Oh, God, probably nearly fell 3 or 4 times. I hate those slippery rocks. Here's the photos of him just flying off. So I had him perched up there. I underexposed all of kind of, because the light was shining on him, so I pretty much exposed just for the highlights. I got some lovely photos of him up there. Just kind of changing my position just to see what type of, how to use the rocks to kind of do the composition. But got some lovely ones in there, I think. Right folks, I think we're going to call it a day. Been walking around now for another hour or so and it's quite quiet. Not much activity. There's quite a lot of people out walking now with their dogs and so forth, so probably has something to do with it, but it's quite quiet. Not much activity. I can hear some stone chats, but I can't really pinpoint them. I can see them perched up. And once I get anywhere near them, they fly off. So, do you know what? Leave them be. Got some lovely photographs of the robin today. I think I got some nice ones of the heron with the rocks in the foreground. I won't know till I get home on the computer, but yeah, I'm happy. I got out with the camera for a few hours. Really wanted to photograph some stone chats though, because I think it was last year I got a photograph of a stone chat here. On a perch, beautiful morning light. I'll show you guys that photo now. But yeah, that photo was probably one of my favourites. But got the robin today, got the heron. I got out for a few hours with the camera for a walk, so can't complain. But anyway, I'll throw those photos on the Instagram, Sean Mead Photography, and also on the website at seanmeadphoto.com. I'll leave a link down below. But I'm gonna make my way back to the car now, head home, get some tea, play with the kids. So thanks for watching guys, and sure, I'll see you on the next one.